Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I think from here on, I think I might do some wheel swaps on Sunday. I'm gonna call it Wheel Swap Sunday. Alright, up for first is the Matchbox, and it's the Lexus LS400. I'm gonna take that and do a wheel swap on that. Okay, open it up and we'll move on to the other. Give you before and after. I'm gonna bore you through the whole process. You've probably seen it. If you don't, then I just made another one that you guys can check out how to do it. I did a mid-urette, which is right here. What do you think of that, man, huh? Look at those potatoes, huh? Pretty awesome, huh? Pretty awesome. It rolls. This thing's got suspension. It's pretty cool. Majorette. Awesome. Alright, I'll show you the Lexus when I'm done.